What if you could dig a hole straight to the center of the Earth? Let's find out. First, you'd have to dig through the Earth's crust. That's up to 70 kilometers of solid rock. Easy, right? Well, not really. The crust is the outermost layer of our planet, and it's made up of a variety of rocks and minerals. It's the layer we live on, and it includes both the continents and the ocean floors. The crust is divided into tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid layer beneath them. But let's say you manage to get through the crust. What's next? Next, you'd hit the mantle, which is over 2,900 kilometers thick. Temperatures here reach up to 4,000 degrees Celsius, enough to melt most metals. The mantle is responsible for the movement of tectonic plates through a process called mantle convection. This is where heat from the Earth's core causes the mantle to flow, creating currents that move the plates above. Digging through the mantle would be like trying to swim through a river of molten rock. But let's keep going. As you keep digging, you'd reach the outer core. It's a swirling sea of molten iron and nickel, super hot and completely liquid. The outer core is about 2,200 kilometers thick and is responsible for generating the Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation and makes life on Earth possible. Surviving in the outer core would be like trying to swim in a sea of molten metal. What's next? And at the very center lies the inner core, a solid ball of iron as hot as the surface of the sun. The inner core is about 1,200 kilometers in diameter and is composed mainly of iron and nickel. Despite the extreme heat, the inner core remains solid due to the immense pressure from the layers above. The temperature in the inner core can reach up to 7,000 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. The inner core is also responsible for the Earth's magnetic field, as its rotation helps to generate the electric currents in the outer core. So, while digging to the Earth's center is fun to imagine, it's impossible with today's technology. The extreme conditions of heat, pressure, and gravity make it a task that's beyond our current capabilities. But for now, we'll have to be content with studying the Earth's interior through indirect methods, such as seismic waves and computer simulations. But hey, it's still cool to think about, right? Imagining what lies beneath our feet and how it all works is a fascinating exercise. It reminds us of the incredible complexity and beauty of our planet.